China floods, 12 dead in Zhengzhou train and thousands evacuated in Henan. China continues to be submerged in the historic flood. The authorities quickly released strong floods to save the Three Gorges Dam. At least 12 people were confirmed dead in Zhengzhou, the capital of Henan province, where more than 500 millimeters of rain continue to fall, bringing the total number of deaths in China to 75. More than 100,000 people have so far been evacuated from Zhengzhou, a city of 12.6 million people on the banks of the Yellow River, with thousands of emergency personnel deployed to assist in the effort, according to state media. Nation. In the nearby city of Gorges, at least 14 people were confirmed dead and more than 20,000 were forced to flee their homes. Provincial authorities said the city's subway system, which includes 7 lines and 153 stations, halted all operations following the incident. Other videos show people on the street, deep in the water, trying to pull people trapped in an underground shopping mall with ropes. The heavy rain also caused power outages across the city. A hospital, which treats nearly 10,000 COVID-19 patients, has faced a complete blackout with photos on social media showing the first floor flooded. At least 25 people have died in the torrential rains that have lashed the province since last weekend, with 7 missing, officials told a news conference on Wednesday.